Greetings, good people. My name is DJ Oli and welcome to Point 5 Creative Studios. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any exciting content uploaded. Well guys, manje ndadatorara zvangu. But ndavandangotumirwawo a video zvikanziona zviri kuitika izvo ndakati hope hadzingambouye ndisina kukupai content yakaita so nekuti munoziva kuti content ndo yatoswera tichingwavha tichikuigirai kuti muone zvinenge zvichiitika mumativi mana enyika. Saka without wasting much of your time, video randinaro zvamanje is the first interview yaJob Sikhala abuda mujeri. Ari kutsanangura kusiiwa kwaitwa Pasango, maplans ake kuti achanga akamira sei, achazvifambisa sei zviri kuitika and mawan. Saka rekandiregedze kuti preempt the interview, but ndikusiyei muchizvionera and then tichingozoonesana kuti zvakamira sei. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into the video. Tinzoti mukomana ari kuti how is he feeling kubuda mujeri almost 2 years ari mukati.
So you are finally out after 595 days in prison. How do you feel?
Absolutely, this was an act of persecution.
Yeah.
What you have to understand is that if somebody is convinced to say that I am suffering for a just cause, I am not feeling anything. These people who have kept me in this prison for a long time should understand that my determination to pay any price for the love of my country is beyond reproach.
This prison is considered like a hellhole, one of the most notorious prisons on earth. I mean, it's written variously with so many stories from colonial up to now about it. How did you survive in this environment?
When you get into a very difficult situation, a proper revolutionary must be able to adapt to any situation. I had to make sure that I gather mental strength for me to be able to sustain myself in this situation.
And then you faced 4 charges, some of them it was not very clear. As we stand here, what charges today? You were given a 2-year suspended sentence and then eventual release. What is the status of these other charges that you were facing?
All these matters are completed.
Okay.
They are now at the judgment stage. The first judgment is going to be delivered on the 6th of February. And then the second one on the 16th of February. The third one on the 29th of February. So whatever they will do with them, I don't care. Because I have already have their scars. So whatever will happen, I am prepared for anything that they will do.
2 more last questions. Now you're out, how do you rebuild your life? I mean, your family suffered quite a lot, your kids, everyone else. I mean, your whole family unity, friends, relatives, they were under stress. How do you rebuild your life?
I need to take time for me to give a proper reflection. Because it's almost 2 years when I was away from the people of Zimbabwe. When I was away from my family. When I was away from my job. So I need some time for me to reflect on what is best for me to do.
Next, then going forward now, the bigger one. Politically, what's the new direction? So many things have happened to the movement that you belong to, CCC, you've been following. So now, what's your new trajectory politically?
I'm going to have the stage of the nation and international address on where I stand in all the chaos that has been happening during my absence. I owe an obligation to the people of Zimbabwe and also the world at large for them to know what I'm thinking vis-a-vis issues that have been happening in the country. So I'm going to make sure that in the shortest possible time in the future, I'm going to make sure that I am going to speak out to the people of Zimbabwe.
Some people are saying, the last one, some people are saying that Nelson Chamisa is quit the CCC for reasons that he has stated, and they are saying that he must take over that role. Are you willing to take that? Are you up to it? Or
I'm not interested about power. My suffering and everything that I've been doing has not been motivated because of power. It is something that I represent the conscience of our people. That is where it is and ends. Whatever will come out thereafter is completely out of question. Whatever comes, the biggest deployees, the biggest deployers of any role in politics are the people.
Yeah. So basically, you will listen to what the people say.
I will listen to what the people say.
If they say become triple C, then what do you do?
Like what I told you,
Yeah.
I am not engaged in that kind of politics.
Okay.
I'll give the people of Zimbabwe where I am in all this chaos that has been happening in the very shortest possible time.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best now that you are back in society. Thank you so much.
Yeah, ndofunga mangozinzwira. The video is not yet done. I'll play the other part, but I just wanna add just one or two words pane zvataurwa nemukomana. Abvunzwa mubvunzo kunzi where do you stay? Wakamira papi wewe panyaya yenyonga iri kuitika nezvasara zvichiitika pawanga usipo uri kujeri. But ndafarira the mumhinduro. Yeah, I like the answer that he gave. Kuti inini I'm not power hungry handisiri kuda kutonga stereki. Zvese zvandiri kuitira izvi, kusungwa kwese kwandiri kuitirwa uku, ndinozviita nemoyo wangu wese, simply because I've got people at heart. So I listen to people and I will do what's best for the people of Zimbabwe. I think according to me zvangu inini maonero angu, I'm not saying he should be, but he's showing maturity, leadership skills, ari kuratidza kuti munhu ane chido nenyika, munhu ane chido nevana vevhu, and ndabatikana kuradzwa kuona mukuru ari mustate iyi and achitaura matauriro akadai. So he's gonna give a press conference, he's gonna hold a press conference and then otiudza kuti akamira papi, achaenda kutriple C here kana kuti achafamba nachamisa, but pari zvino nakutaura kuti where exactly is he standing and it. So let's play the video and then hear kuti what's happening pa the other half. Ndo paakuexplaina kuti ndasvika ndikangobudiswa ndikasiiwa panapa Pasango, so I was waiting for people to come and pick me up and I was afraid kuti ndogona kungoita sei kungoitwa kanyama, but ndasiri kutya zvangu nekuti ndaitongoziva kuti chauya awa ndo maheroes magandanga akawakomana. Saka rega tinzwe kuti zviri kufamba sei.
President. These people make me not allowed to.
I'm in my football time.
Just say, please, we have been given instructions in the coming few minutes. This man must be taken out. So they took me here. I was by myself. I was down here.
Murikuzwa ndofunga muri kuzvinzwira zvavari kutaura kuti hanzi tangonzi maminitsi mashoma uyu mukomana uyu ngaabude panapa, atikuda kumuona zvamanje. Saka hanzi changorohwa chinonzi chimudhiginyira, vaangobudiswa vaangonosiiwa Pasango apa. Rekeza tipadzokorodza apa munyasopanzwisisa mega apa. Tidzoke mumashure mbichana.
This man must be taken out. So they just say, please, we have been given instructions in the coming few minutes. This man must be taken out. So they took me here. I was by myself. I was down here. And so I was sitting there looking for Harrison and trying to see when he will arrive. Just imagine. This hour of the night.
Thank God that
It's unbelievable. And so I was afraid that these people might have worked with some of their agents to cause my abduction. So I just said, no, whatever, if they want to do that, let them do. And the people of Zimbabwe will know who to hold responsible for that.
But it's good to see you.
Mungozvinzwira aiwa kagame aka vanesa kukaziya hapana singakaziye kagame aka unongoshayika chiripo ripotyo zvinenge zvatovharana. So that's what he was saying kuti ndakutya kuti vanogona vachishanda nema-agencies avo, vanogona kungondibvuta then ndozongoshayika. Saka but I was prepared. Ndo masoja chaiwo hanzi I was prepared kuti chauya chamuka inyama.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, thanks, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
And to see you guys together as
So that's fine. I'm now being to the home. And
go get some rest, get some sleep.
Thank you. All right, that's fine. All right. Hey, no, that's fine. That's fine. All right, bye-bye.
So yeah, that was the clip yandangotirega ndiwe ndiuye nayo kuhama dzangu ndikuratidzei zvinhu zvatiri kusangana nazvo mukati umo and mungozvionerawo mega. Tikada kuita zvekutaura nemuromo pamwe munofunga kuti tichibhaisa kana tiri kuda kugadzira content kana kuti sei, but anyway, let me just leave you. Rega ndimbodaiso nekudaiso pamwe ndogona kungoafa imwe content ndikadzoka futi. Saka let's just say tosangana muvideo clip rikuita sei riri kutera. Saka kana une dhiri raunaro, kana uchida kushambadzirwa, kana uchida kumaketerwa business rako, namba dzangu ndidzo dzichibuda pasi apa. Ndibate papo totaura business racho toonesana kuti tingadzifambise sei nyaya dzacho. So as for me, DJ Holly and the rest of the crew behind the scene, tiri kuti ngatisanganei video rinotera. And thank you very much for watching, and thank you for supporting 0.5 Creative Studios. It's bye for now.